Hello guys, in this video I am gonna show you step-by-step guide uh, by which you can change your YouTube translation language to your preferable language. I had faced the same problem. My YouTube was showing translate to Hindi. Even I don't know how to read Hindi, but it was showing this kind of problem, and you guys may be facing this kind of problem also. So here is the step-by-step guide you can do to change it back to English or your desired language. So first thing you wanna do is you go to the YouTube app. You will click on the top right corner of your profile. Then after that, what you will do, you will click on manage your Google account. Once you click on that, then there you will click on the personal info. After that, you may scroll down and you will see language. There will be English and some other language. So when you will click on that, what you simply have to do, you have to simply delete the other language. And if there is only one language, you can delete that and add English language or any other language. It will take some days to take into effect. Then after that, your problem will be solved, and it will show translate to English.